Greetings, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we have an extraordinary living organism to explore, SANSEVIERIA Masoniana Victoria. Join us as we delve into its captivating history, native range, unique description, ideal growing conditions, companion planting insights, and the diverse uses of this remarkable plant. Let's journey back in time to discover the fascinating history of SANSEVIERIA Masoniana Victoria, also known as Mason's Congo. This plant belongs to the Sansevieria family, named after the Italian Prince Raimondo di Sangro, the Duke of Sanseviero. Native to the lush rainforests of West Africa, it's known for its eye-catching appearance and attractive nicknames like whale fin or shark fin. Its large, sturdy, and upright leaves feature captivating patterns, resembling the majestic fins of a whale or shark. The distinctive leaves can reach impressive sizes, making it a standout addition to any indoor or outdoor space. Creating an optimal environment for SANSEVIERIA Victoria ensures its thriving growth. This hardy plant thrives in well-draining soil and requires minimal watering, making it a perfect choice for busy gardeners. It prefers bright, indirect light but can tolerate low-light conditions, making it an excellent indoor plant option. SANSEVIERIA Victoria blends beautifully with a variety of other houseplants, creating an appealing display of textures and colors. Pairing it with other succulents or foliage plants can add depth and visual interest to your gardening space. Beyond its ornamental value, SANSEVIERIA Victoria offers various practical uses. It's known for its air purifying properties, removing toxins from the air and enhancing the overall indoor air quality. In some cultures, it's also believed to bring luck and prosperity to the household. Embrace its rich history, unique features, and proper care to add a touch of elegance to your gardening and farming endeavors. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the diverse species of living organisms that grace our planet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening explorations of nature's wonders.